Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I will share my experience of Kuala Lumpur, and you guys can watch the videos till the end. The first and most important thing you need to do once you reach Kuala Lumpur is to buy a SIM card. And there are different kind of companies, Unet, Digitech, you can buy a SIM card. But it also depends on your stay. If you are staying for 3 days in Kuala Lumpur, and if you are staying for 1 week, I suggest you can buy Unet SIM card. And you can buy this SIM card from the downtown 7-Eleven shop in the city center easily. Any 7-Eleven mart you can find it. If you forgot to buy in the airport. Second thing, you need to know about the internet data. Like I was staying for 3 days, I use a Unet SIM card and they gave me unlimited data for 30 ringgit. I think it's really good. You can use it. If you are staying for 7 days, you can also pay like maybe 50 ringgit, I think so. So it depends on your stay. So first thing, buy a SIM card. The second thing you need to know about the Kuala Lumpur is how you can explore the Kuala Lumpur city. So I can tell you my experience. There are two kind of buses. One is called LTR, the second is called MTR. You can use both of them to explore Kuala Lumpur. But I recommend you can use MTR. MTR bus take a long time, but it go all around the city center and you can easily see the important and famous places in Kuala Lumpur. And second is LTR. LTR you need to pay. For MTR you don't need to pay. This is also the plus point of MTR. So LTR, if you are in a hurry, you can also use LTR, but you need to buy the ticket first and you can find it easily there. So this is very important. If you are going to Kuala Lumpur, you need to know about this thing. The third option you can use to explore Kuala Lumpur is the Grab. It's kind of application. You can easily download it from Apple Store, from Play Store and Android phone. You can use this option to explore Kuala Lumpur too. The third thing you need to know about the Kuala Lumpur is to know about the places you visit. In my case, I have 3 days in Kuala Lumpur. I visited Twin Tower, I visited KL Tower, I visited the National Museum of Malaysia. The fourth place I visit is the National Mosque of Malaysia. Fifth place is Sultan Abdul Samad building. And the sixth place I visit is Little India, and the last place I visited is the premier shopping center of Malaysia called Pavilion. And these places you can explore. If you have time, you can explore some more places if you want, guys. So this is the third thing you need to know. The fourth thing, which is for the people who like parties, who like nightlife. If you guys like the nightlife, I suggest you can visit the Bukit Bintang, which is the old downtown of Kuala Lumpur. And you can find so many foreigners over there, and you can find you can have a good time there. So this is the place, the fourth thing you need to know about the Kuala Lumpur. The fifth and the last and the most important thing you need to know about your trip is the budget. That how much you need to take when you are going to travel Kuala Lumpur. In my case, I visited from China, Guangzhou to Kuala Lumpur, and my visit is for 3 night. For 3 night, first I pay for the apartment, and I use Airbnb application to rent apartment, and it cost me like 379 RMB, which is round about 8,000 Pakistani rupees. And in my trip, I visited like 7 places. Like you don't need to pay extra fees if you are visiting these places, but for one place I pay. Like if I go to the top of the KL tower, I need to pay. In that case, there are two kind of ticket. One is 49 ringgit, the other is 99 ringgit. 49 is just like a place you can see the Kuala Lumpur, and in there you can find the restaurant there too. And the second is 99 99 ringgit ticket, and that ticket is like for to go to the top, and there is a glass bridge and you can see the Kuala Lumpur. But guys, I think 49 ringgit is worthy. You can take this and you can see, and it's really awesome guys, and it's worthy. And all the other thing, I didn't pay anything. So for my 3 days, 3 night and 4 days trip to Kuala Lumpur cost me like for my food, for my like different, I buy some shirts there. It cost me like 800 RMB, excluding the air ticket, excluding. So it cost me 800. The overall trip cost me like 20,000 Pakistani rupees and 1200 RMB, and you can explore Kuala Lumpur 3 night 4 days, and it's really good. I hope you guys like my videos, and I hope this would be a very good for those people who are coming or who are planning to visit Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So guys, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.